Hey there, I'm Cindy from MyCustomizer. In this 3-part video, we're going to show you how to create a t-shirt customizer using the MyCustomizer app. In the first video, we'll cover what kind of images you'll need. The second video will cover the steps to preparing the actual t-shirt customizer. And in the third one, I'll show you how to set product prices and make your product available on your online store and start making some sales. So without further ado, let's get started and take a look at the final version of what I'm about to walk you through step by step. As you can see, this t-shirt customizer is embedded on my online store product page, and the customer can choose different colors for the different customizable parts, such as the body, for the sleeves, the neckline. As you can see, they all change dynamically as I select a different color. They can enter their own text, such as their name, and even add their own logo, just like that. Finally, they can choose their size. This is a value question from a drop-down menu, and they can end by adding to the cart right here. So now let's talk about the images I'll need to create this t-shirt customizer. I basically started with this t-shirt that looks like this right here. So from that photo, I created 4 images of the different parts of this t-shirt. So I have the body right here, the neckline, the sleeves, and my background static images of the coat and hanger. I also have my logo placeholder right there. So to create these images, what I've done here is basically apply a clipping path to this image in Photoshop. So my goal here was to remove the background using the clipping path and to separate all the customizable parts, so the body, the sleeves, the neckline, and the tag and hanger from one another. Then what I did was desaturate the areas of my t-shirt where I wanted dynamic coloring to be applied. So to do that, I went to layers. I'm going to desaturate the body. And so I'm going to go in my image menu, adjustments, and all the way down to desaturate. As you can see, it becomes gray. But my goal here is to make the levels of desaturation get to as close as white as possible without losing the texture and the natural feel of the fabric. So I'm going to go to image, adjustments, levels, and I'm going to want to play with these 3 arrows right here. So for me, I'm going to go to about here. That looks just about right. It'll be different for every product, but as you can see, we conserve the shadowing and the texture of the fabric, making it look more realistic. I then saved all of the parts separately in PNG format with a transparent background. And I made sure that they're all of the same size because I want them to be properly positioned to each other in the product builder. So as you can see, the neckline is aligned with the body, with its sleeves, and with the coat and hanger. To learn more about preparing your images, make sure to check out the article linked to this video. If you're not familiar with Photoshop, many artists on Fiverr or Upwork can do this type of photo editing for you, but don't hesitate to reach out to us if you want us to recommend one of our trusted partners, or simply visit mycustomizer.com/partners to check out some of our trusted artists. Alright, our images are now ready, and in the next video, we'll be building the t-shirt customizer from the MyCustomizer dashboard.